What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods. So today we're going to unbox a package that I got from PetSmart. Now before we unbox this thing, I just want to remind everybody to please like this video, comment down below and let us know if you have gotten anything awesome from PetSmart before. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for videos just like this and other aquarium related content. So let's see what's inside, shall we? First thing we got is a normal hang on the back filter, the PF30 Silent Stream. They say it's for a 20 to 30 gallon tank. We're gonna put this on a 10 because like I've said in previous videos, and I will say until the end of time, you always wanna go bigger on your filters because they kind of over exaggerate what they're actually good for. But this is an affordable, really good hang on the back filter. We haven't had any trouble with them and they're about half the price of other name brands. The next thing that we got is just some replacement cartridges right here. They're the large size for the hang on the back. Got 2 tissue cultures of dwarf hairgrass, parvula to be more specific. And something that I've never seen before that I wanted to try out. It looks like it's an internal canister filter. So that should be interesting. Future video on this to see if it's any good in the future. Quick side note, I don't usually order tissue cultures off of PetSmart.com, but it's been really hard for me to find plants lately, and I really wanted to just have some hair grass because I have a new project coming out that I'm gonna do with Ryan coming up this week or maybe the week after, not exactly sure yet. But we wanted to make sure that we had hair grass on hand in order to be able to take care of that. And I gotta say, I was pleasantly surprised because when you see these in the stores, they don't usually look that healthy, but these actually look pretty good. I don't know if you could see it, but it looks really good in person at least. We've used Top Fin products in the past. You've seen us use their hang on the back filters numerous times. This is the brand that you get at PetSmart. They're usually cheaper and the quality is the same as the name brand stuff, so it's really cool. I'm definitely excited to try out this bad boy. It looks like it might be a little bulky for any cool aquascapes, but I do have some holding tanks that I think it'll work really well in. So, like I said before, a future video on that in the future. I think that these products are gonna be super helpful for a couple of our tanks that we got going on. We got a couple of grow tanks, a couple of quarantine tanks, and I think that these are really gonna come in handy for those projects in particular. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at each of the products. The first one I'm gonna show you is the hang on the back filter. These we've used, they're really good. Right after that will come the replacement cartridges that go into the hang on the back filter. These are pretty self-explanatory. You just take the old one out, drop a new one in. Gotta rinse it off with some water beforehand. And now I'm gonna show you the internal canister filter, which I know nothing about. I'm gonna do a future video on this because I'm just as curious as you guys are on it. And then a closer look at the dwarf hairgrass that we picked up. Like I said, it looks really healthy, it looks really good. I'm gonna do a full rundown on all of these products in future videos, but I hope that you enjoyed today's video. It was a quick one, not too much going on, just got a really cool box full of stuff that I thought you guys would like. And if you did like it, once again, please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let us know if you have used Top Fin products in the past and what you think about them. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for videos just like this where we unbox aquarium related content or just us scaping tanks or anything else you might be interested in. If you're interested in anything aquarium hobby, you're gonna be interested in this page. Until the next time, my name is Eric. Have a good day.